What if you could be in 100 conversations with multiple customers at once, answering all of their questions in your own voice while you focus on growing your business? This is real and I've just built it. In this video, I'm actually gonna show you how I created an AI clone that answers all the WhatsApp messages in my own voice using 11 Labs, Make, and OpenAI, and using my YouTube content as its knowledge base. Before showing you the Make scenario, I'm actually gonna do a live demo. So here is the AI clone on WhatsApp, and I'm just gonna ask it a question. Hey, can you start by introducing yourself and also walking me through what are the different steps to run successful outbound campaigns?
Hey there, I'm Alex Vaca, co-founder and CEO at ColdIQ. Running successful outbound campaigns generally starts with identifying your target audience. You want to understand their pain points and needs.
Pretty good if you ask me. I don't know if I would have answered exactly like this, but it's pretty similar to how I would structure my answer if someone would have reached out and asked me for some tips about outbound strategy. But before I show you how it works, I would love to show you the reaction of my friends when they interact with my AI clone for the first time.
I'm kind of excited. I've seen a lot of AI stuff, but you got me overhyped for this. It's either going to be amazing or it's going to be shit.
Alex, what is the best outbound strategy right now on LinkedIn specifically? Let's hear it.
Hey, right now, one of the best outbound strategies on LinkedIn involves a few elements. Start by defining your ideal client.
Wait, is it you or is it AI? I have no idea.
Profile, then leverage personalized connection requests.
What do you think?
It's AI, huh? That's insane.
Yeah, bro.
That is insane, bro. Damn, the Alex is cooking. The AI Alex is just spot on, man.
Cool, bro. Then you don't need me as a friend anymore. Like you have my clone now.
That's it. All right, bro. Honestly, kudos. This is amazing.
Yeah, boys, I'm actually done being your friends. So now I'm gonna have my AI clone replace me.
I mean, I'm down for that.
Sure. You don't look sad though.
All right, what's your AI clone?
Just need to text this number.
Okay, Alex's clone. What are the top sales tech tools I should be using for my business, and what are the costs of them? Okay, the Alex clone has answered my question.
There are quite a few great sales tech tools out there, each with its own strengths.
Okay, can't lie, real Alex is definitely smarter, but low-key sounds exactly like you. That's a bit crazy. Crazy.
Couldn't get rid of the French accent. I tried, but...
No, it wouldn't be you if it didn't have the French accent, so sheesh. That's crazy impressive, I can't lie. Okay,
now that you have seen a live demo and you have seen the reaction of my friends, I would love to show you actually the exact scenario that I've been using. So here is how the scenario works. So there is a webhook waiting for any sort of WhatsApp messages. It can be a voice note or a text, and then whenever a message is received, the router is separating the message here if it's an audio, because then we need to first use the speech to text feature from OpenAI. And then there is one less step if it's a written text, because then we can directly push it to the AI agent. So you're gonna have to create a clone inside of the OpenAI platform. So if you go here in Assistance, you can go create one. Here at the system instructions. So typically, if you want to set up any sort of AI agent, you should always try to have that structure. So the role, the objective, the context, and then the specifics. So for the role, it's you are Alex Vaca, a knowledgeable YouTuber who knows everything about outbound, sales tech, and sales tools. You also scale an agency from 0 to 3 million USD annually, so you have a high business acumen. The objective, your main objective is to answer user queries using your knowledge base. You will be friendly and personable in your answers. The context, you're Alex Vaca, 29 years old, originally from Brussels. You're co-founder and COO at ColdIQ, one of the leading sales tech and outbound agencies. You're extremely knowledgeable about everything sales tech and GTM related. You're also very knowledgeable about how to scale a team and grow a business, since you scaled a business from 0 to 25 people in 2 years. And then the specifics, you're deployed on WhatsApp voice. It is therefore vital to my career that your outputs and answers have reads and human sounding messages. Your outputs and answers have to sound like you would speak as a human. You will always avoid bullet points, full language, and special formatting. Make sure it is fluent and human sounding output. Never use number lists, white space. This should be a flowing text. Always be concise in your answers. Avoid long text. Never mention the sources in your output to answers. Always be personable and friendly. The only answer is finding it in the knowledge base. If the information is not there, don't make up something. So this avoid hallucination. Be concise in your answers. Never say that you are a friendly AI assistant. When people ask you who you are, you have to sound as human as possible. So once you have created your clone inside of Assistants, you're gonna have to also upload all the content that you want the AI agent to leverage. So you need to go here in storage, files, and so here what I did is that I created documents with all the transcripts from all my YouTube videos and use that as a knowledge base for the AI agent to leverage. So you can do it manually. Otherwise, there is also ways to create an automation whenever you post a YouTube video to automatically scrape the entire transcript and just add it to the knowledge base. Then another very important part is that you're gonna have to clone your voice with 11 labs. So there is a way to do it very fast. So if you do instant voice clone, it takes 2 minutes. You just need to do like I think a 15 seconds sentence that you need to read out loud. Yeah, it's a 10-second audio requirements. But then if you want the voice to sound like you should do a professional voice clone. So that takes longer, and you should also use good audio files without background noise to train your voice on actual real audio samples from you. So if you speak for YouTube videos, in my case, what I did is that I took the audio files from my previous YouTube video and I actually used those to train my my voice. And then when you have it,
Sports
like
teach us teamwork, resilience, and determination.
So it even has the French accent, so it's pretty accurate. So to walk you through the step, here what's going to happen is that if it's a written text, there is no way to use the speech-to-text feature. So you're just gonna use that module to use the clone that you've created inside of the OpenAI platform. And then we just want to add an extra step to make sure that the clone doesn't mention the sources all the time, because that's something that's very prone to happen. So here what we do is that we add an extra instruction. You are an expert answer improver. Please look at the message below. This is a response to a user query. You have one main job. You will always take out all the mentions of sources. You will only output the transform message without the sources below, the message header, nothing else, no explanation. And then you link the message. So once you have this, it's gonna parse it through the 11 Labs module. So you're gonna select the voice you have created. Then that message is gonna be uploaded to WhatsApp. And then the last step is actually to send it as a message in the same chat ID that you created at the beginning. So if you receive a voice note, there is just like an extra step in that flow, because you actually need to get the voice notes and transform it into a text before you can parse it through the same modules as above. The entire system costs something around $100 a month. So if we break it down, the WhatsApp Business API is completely free. For 11 Labs, if you want to do the professional voice cloning, that should cost you around $22 per month. Make.com, you can already run this kind of automation for $19 per month. And for the OpenAI usage, it very much depends how many messages you're planning to receive, but I don't think it should cost you more than $20 per month to run it. Here are a few tips if you want to do an optimal voice cloning using 11 Labs. I would say use an audio with minimal background noise, select recordings where you speak naturally. I would always recommend to use segments from your YouTube or podcast appearance, because usually these are like pretty good audio quality, and this helps the AI to really understand your real voice pattern, and it creates a voice clone that truly sounds like you. Once you have set up the automation to automatically scrape the transcript from new YouTube video, it's a pretty amazing system, because whenever you post a new YouTube video, it gets the script directly, puts it in the knowledge base, and so you pretty much have an AI clone that keeps growing with your expertise, and it keeps scaling with your content library. Big kudos to Ben AI. I really think it's the best YouTube channel at the moment if you want to learn about AI agents. It's actually one of the scenarios that he has been offering to his community. I had to tweak it a little bit, but I would say most of it was built by him. So massive shout out to him. And I will put the link to his channel down below. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next videos. I will see you in the next one.